Welcome to Little Steps English, where your journey to learning English begins with small but powerful steps. Do you love stories? Do you want to learn new words in a simple and fun way? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you through a short, emotional story full of events and lessons that will help you naturally improve your English. Reading, listening, and speaking. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Let's begin today's story. The Echo of the Violin. In a small, charming town surrounded by rolling hills and lush greenery, there was a cozy music shop called Melody's Music Shop. The shop was known for its warm glow and the sweet sound of violins that seemed to echo through the quiet streets. One sunny afternoon, a young girl named Lily wandered into the shop, her eyes wide with wonder. Lily was a curious and imaginative child who loved music, but had never played an instrument before. As she stepped inside the shop, the scent of polished wood and old books filled the air. She saw rows of violins hanging on the walls, each one looking more beautiful than the last. Her heart raced as she imagined the melodies they could create. The shopkeeper, Mr. Harper, noticed Lily's fascination with the violins. He was a kind man with a mustache and a gentle smile. Seeing her interest, he invited her to try one of the violins. Lily hesitated at first, but then took a deep breath and picked up a small violin. As she held it, she felt a spark of excitement. Mr. Harper taught Lily how to hold the violin properly and showed her the basics of playing. At first, her attempts were shaky, but she practiced every day with determination. Each note she played brought her closer to mastering the instrument. Months later, Lily had become quite skilled. Mr. Harper suggested she perform at the annual town festival. Though nervous, Lily agreed. On the big day, she stood on stage under bright lights, her violin in hand. With a deep breath, she began to play. The melody filled the auditorium, and the audience was captivated by her talent. As Lily finished her performance, the crowd erupted in applause. She smiled brightly, feeling a sense of accomplishment and joy. From that day on, Lily continued to practice and share her love for music with everyone around her. The violin had not only become her passion, but also her voice, a way to express herself and connect with others. This story teaches us an important lesson. Never be afraid to try something new. Just like Lily, who turned her curiosity into a beautiful melody, anyone can achieve great things with hard work and dedication. By stepping out of your comfort zone and pursuing your interests, you can discover your own echo and shine brightly. And that's the end of today's story. Did you enjoy it? Did you learn some new words? Remember, every story you watch here on Little Steps English is a small step toward your big goal. Speaking English fluently. Want to improve your pronunciation? Repeat the sentences out loud. Want to remember the vocabulary? Write it down in your notebook. Want more? Watch our previous videos and subscribe for more content like this. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to hit like and share it with a friend who's learning English too. Thank you for watching and see you in the next story on Little Steps English.